Hello everyone, my name is Ignacio Frankie and welcome to the third video in the Java with VS Code setup series for CSCE 111. Today I'm going to be talking about setting up a file structure that maximizes productivity within the class and just makes coding in VS Code a whole lot easier. So we're going to start here at the welcome screen for Visual Studio Code. The first thing you want to do when working with Java to create your file system is to open a folder. So I'm going to make this in my downloads folder just because it's easier whenever I download programs from the internet like labs for my class. They always go to the downloads folder, so I like to put my project folder in the downloads folder. I already have a few in here, but we're going to make a new one. Let me do this again. Java projects 3, and we'll go ahead and select this folder. So now this folder is open. We can go ahead and create a file. I'll just name it something like Java, test.java. We're not going to be running anything in it, just to have it there. And then I'll go ahead and open the terminal just to show you that. So the main thing about working in a project folder is that when you run the terminal, whenever you compile or run your code, it automatically defaults to wherever your file is saved. So it's going to default to the project folder and where you're going to be running your commands, not like as an admin, or you're not going to have to cd into your file or your folder where it's located. So it saves a lot of time that way. Another thing about projects is that you can have multiple folders that you switch between. So let's say in Java Projects 3, I wanted to keep all my labs, and then in like another project folder, I wanted to keep all my class activities or like my test programs that I made for my notes. And you can switch between them by closing folders, and you can just go ahead and open up your other projects right from here. So just go to Java Projects 2 or 1 or 3, but way to do that, my camera might be blocking the view, but click File up here in the top left and then go to Close Folder, and then you'll be able to open your folder, your other project folder, from right here. In your project folder, if you have a good structure and have multiple project folders for each of your different categories or however you want to split them up, the only other thing that's really important is just to name your programs accordingly. Make sure you give them descriptive names because you have a lot of them. It will get kind of confusing after a while. That's pretty much all I have to talk about. Thank you everyone for watching.